The topic for today is Python Lambda function. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Lambda functions are often used as a way to inline a function definition. In today's video, we are going to discuss the Python Lambda function. Let us start. Welcome to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for our future videos. The topic for today is Python Lambda function. Let us start with the introduction. We have already discussed the Python functions in the last video. So the Python function starts with the def keyword. So for the function definition, we need the function header that starts with the def keyword. But Python also provides an expression form that generates the function objects without the def statement. Here we use the lambda keyword. Because of its similarity to a tool in Lisp language, this function is called as the lambda function. So just like the def, this expression creates a function to be called, but it returns the function instead of assigning a name to it. So that's why the lambda functions are sometimes known as anonymous functions or unnamed functions. So lambda functions are often used as a way to inline a function definition. Then let us see the lambda basics. First, the general form. Lambda function starts with lambda keyword followed by arguments, and it can take any number of arguments. So argument 1, argument 2, argument n shown here, and this is followed by a colon and then the n expression. So this is the general form of the lambda function. So lambda is an expression, not a statement. So because of this, lambda can appear in places def is not allowed to appear. So maybe inside a list literal or inside function called arguments, lambda can appear. So here when we actually see the example, it will be more clear. Then lambda's body is a single expression, not a block of statements. So in the function definition with def, we have a block of statements, but here the body of lambda is a single expression. It is similar to what you put in the return statement of the def's body. So just you simply type result as an expression instead of explicitly returning it. So that is the basic difference between the def and lambda function. So this is by design to limit the program nesting. So lambda is designed for coding simple functions, whereas the def handles larger tasks. So you have to understand the difference between these two. Then let us go to the examples. Program that adds two numbers using lambda function. So here we are assigning the sum variable. So that is a lambda function is assigned to sum variable. So sum is equal to lambda, then x and y, these are the arguments, then colon and x plus y, this is the expression. We are printing sum is equal to sum. Here we are calling the sum variable with arguments 4 and so naturally it will calculate the sum of 4 and 5 and will get the result as 9. Let us see how we can execute this. Now let us type the program. Sum is equal to lambda, then x and y, these are the two variables we are taking for lambda, and then colon x plus y, and then simply print sum is equal to comma sum, and let us pass the two numbers 4 and 5. So with this we complete the editing of the program. Simply save the program and run. I will just give sum as the name and now run the program. So we'll get the sum as 9, as you can see. Then lambda function as a argument to function. You can pass lambda function as an argument to a function. So here we are taking an example for that. So we are defining a function func with two arguments f and n, and then we have the print statement where we are printing the function of n, and then we define the two functions here, square and cube. So square is defined as lambda, so this is the variable which is argument for the lambda function x, and then we are returning the x square, so that will be returned to the square variable. And similarly for cube we are taking the x multiplied by x multiplied by x, so that will give us the cube, that will be assigned to the variable cube. And then here we are calling the function func and passing the argument square and 5. So when we are passing 5, it will return 25 as the square, and when we pass the argument cube and 3, then it will return the cube of 3, that is 27. Let us see how it is executed. Here we have already edited the program. So first we have defined the function, and then we have defined the square and cube with the lambda function. So this will give us the square of the number, and this will give us the cube of the number. So when we call the function func, then pass the square as the parameter and 5 as the number, then it will give us the square of 5. And when we pass the parameter cube and number 3, it will give us the cube of number 3. So the answer will be 27. So let us run the program. So you can see the square of 5 is 25 and cube of 3 is 27. Now let us see the lambda function without arguments. So here we have the program that uses a lambda function without arguments to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So here we have defined a variable x, and the lambda function is assigned to this variable x, and then there is no argument passed to the lambda function, and then we have the colon, and this is the expression. So in the expression we have used a built-in function sum to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So range is given as 1 to 11. So it will find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. In the print statement we have just given x, and there is again no argument here, but it will invoke the lambda expression and returns a value. So the result will get it as 55. Let us see how we can execute this function. So here we have the lambda function without argument. So we take the variable x and then we are assigning the lambda function to that without any argument. So lambda and then colon, and this is the we're using the built-in function sum in the range 1 to 11 for printing the sum of numbers 1 to 10. So with the help of print, again we are invoking a lambda expression that accepts no argument. So x is invoked here and there is no argument given here. So it will print sum of first 10 numbers, that is 55. Let us run the program. So you can see here the answer is 50. Then with this we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook, Twitter, Gmail or Instagram. Then if you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. And don't forget to press the bell icon because that will give you notifications for our future video. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.